Today I'm going to be reviewing ULSOU's wireless mouse and foldable keyboard with case. Let's take a look at this, see what we got, and see how good it is. Before we go any further, I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is actually a really nice case, nicer than I thought, nicer case than I thought. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. Get this, it's nothing special, but I do like it when companies add stuff like this. This will actually just hold your phone like that. So you can put your phone in here and it will hold it up. You get all the pockets, keyboard, mouse. I'm gonna pull those out. Keyboard's really light, really cool. So this is what it looks like folded up, and there it is unfolded. Really nice, quiet clicking, not very loud at all. And then we have the wireless mouse. So here is the wireless mouse. And what's really nice, both the keyboard and the mouse are Bluetooth or wireless. Now on the mouse down here, it's got the little wireless adapter right there. And then you can select the mode, you can turn it on, Bluetooth, wireless, and then you can charge it if you want to direct connect, that type of thing. So we got everything here. I'm gonna connect this up to my PC with Bluetooth, mouse, and the keyboard. I'm gonna tell you how quick it was. All right, Bluetooth mouse on. 10 seconds. Let's try the keyboard. All right, so I am connected. It works really well. The mouse is connected. Now, I thought I could do this without reading the instructions. I did have to read the instructions. Really easy. You just flip the switch on here on the top. So you hit function in either A or S in order to connect to Bluetooth. This does really well on Amazon. It's got 4.8 stars. The more amazing part is last month, over 400 of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.